all sorts of other. She loved Italian food. I don't know if she's of Italian origin, but she cooked it well. I don't know. That would be illegal apparently in the state of Iowa because we were in high school. Technically, you are teaching. What was it?
Like Mark Gamarick, he was my first landscaping boss up in Asheville, who Bailey worked for. He's a really smart guy, really great guy. He owns like several businesses in Hendersonville. Like one of the first weeks I was working for him, he said to me, "That guy just illegal U'd it." Mercedes just and it pulled over. Totally just illegal U'd it right there. Stop right now. I hope she gets pulled. I hope she gets. She's right. Yeah, do it, please. Please light her up. Please light her up. I want to follow this guy around until he lights her up.
In front of me.
Well,
yeah.
Yes. What a. Let's faces. Oh, your face is so stupid.
Responsibilities just to suit their lavish needs, ignoring the precarious state of the day.
The Bengal famine of 1943. Winston Churchill. Back in 1943, Bengal, across parts of India and Bangladesh, was under the rule of Great Britain.
He might be an icon in Britain, but in India, he is seen actually as the precipitator of
Well, now you have to send that to me. I want to.
I have sent it to you, I'm pretty sure.
No, you didn't.
I'm very sure I did. This person just made an illegal left turn in front of a cop. That's crazy. Yeah, he's literally getting pulled over right now.
Loser.
Yeah, literally right in front of me. Bro, I posted that on Reddit. That's crazy.
Change the Netflix cause I'm hoes cause I've been had them. Probably let the bro hit like my name Adam. If you sick but you stitch then you don't matter. 100 bands.
So let me explain what's going on. I got Jason Mantzoukas, bros, two bros in a pod.
Bros hanging bros.
I'd go ahead and say we've got three bros here.
What do you say?
And then we got.
That's right.
But Jason, I did want to talk to Chip. I do want to figure out what's going on with it.
Absolutely.
It seems like he has something on his mind.
In 2008, the position remained open. It's been unfilled since 2008. That's 3 years with no honorary mayor.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Just surrender. You're cutting across that many lanes of traffic, dude. Oh, look. Carmel's finest. Wait, is this Karma? Oh, yes! 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 Finally! I finally caught instant Karma. No way. I got that on Dashcam. Yeah. All three of them had knives. Made it out the back, and she died on the back lawn. And one of the things